four major forex trading sessions are the Sydney session, the Tokyo or Asian session, London or European session, and the New York or American session. Having an in-depth knowledge about different trading sessions will help traders to know when to trade a particular currency pair. Now let's begin with the first trading session. The Sydney session opened from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. GMT. The market is usually less volatile, marking the start of a trading day. Time for traders to focus on AUD pairs. The second on our list will be the Tokyo session. You can also refer to it as the Asian session. The session opens by 12 a.m. and closes by 9 a.m. GMT. This has higher trading volume than the Sydney session. JPY pairs see significant activities during this particular time, and the Tokyo session or Asian session also overlap with the Sydney session. Generally, this session has lower volatility compared to other sessions, except for JPY pairs. The third on our list is the London or European session, which opens by 8 a.m. and closes by 5 p.m. GMT. Please consider the financial hub of the world. The London session is the busiest, having high liquidity and volatility. Most trading happens during this session. Pairs to focus are Euro USD, GBP USD, and other Euro and GBP pairs. This pair often sees significant market move, especially when economic data is released. The last session, which is not the least session, in fact, you really need to pay attention to the New York session. It opens by 1 p.m. and closes by 10 p.m. GMT. This begins just as the London session is ending, but there is an overlap which makes this period particularly volatile. Pairs to focus on are USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. After London closes, activities can drop off, except for major US economy announcements. Now, the key overlapping period, let's start with the London session and the New York session. This spread across 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. This is the most active period of the trading day. Both the New York session and London session are open, leading to high liquidity and volatility. Now, it matters because more trading volume means tighter spread, better trading opportunities, and faster price movements. This is the best time for day traders. The Sydney and Tokyo overlap. This spread across 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. GMT. This overlap is not as active as the London or New York period, but it does provide more opportunities than other times during Asian session. Pairs to consider are the AUD JPY, AUD USD, and the NZD JPY. Now, why sometimes are better than others? Number one, volatility and liquidity. More trading volume, liquidity, means tighter spread and are favorable for traders. Let's assume you're a short-time trader, scalper. You need volatility in order to get into the market and exit the trade without paying too much for spread, and you really get those fast movements because there is volatility in the market at that particular session. During quieter sessions, the market tends to range. That means it doesn't move dramatically. This can be useful for specific strategy like range trading. Now, the second thing will be economic news release. Major market movements often occurs when there is a release of economic data. It is important to know when economic data are being released. This includes non-farm payroll, initial jobless claims, CPI. These are some of the economic data you should pay attention to, and they are being released during the London session or the New York session. There's an in-depth video already on this channel that covers how to know when economic data will be released. Check the description of this video for the link to that video. This should help you stay updated on upcoming news release. The best time to trade different currency pairs, starting with the Euro USD and the GBP USD, which are best during the London session and the New York session. Reasons because this session covers Europe and US, which are directly related to these currency pairs. Now, the JPY pairs, this include the USD JPY and the Euro JPY. These are best traded during the Tokyo and the London session. Reasons because Japanese yen is traded during Tokyo session and it continues to see activities as London opens. Now, the AUD and NZD pairs, this include the AUD USD and the NZD USD. These pairs are more active when the Australian and Asian markets are open. Here are practical tips for beginner. Adjust your trading session to your schedule. If you're a beginner with a day job, you can still find trading opportunities by understanding where the markets are active. I would suggest you avoid trading during low volume period, unless you are using a range-bound strategy. Secondly, I would encourage you to practice trading during different sessions to understand how the market works. Using a demo account allows beginners to find the best time that suits their trading style without risking real money. Now, if you've watched this video to this particular moment, here is a quick bonus for you. If the whole idea behind trading sessions and the time zones bore you, I would recommend you check out this app. It's called Trading Hour. It was an app I used when I started trading Forex. The moment you download the app, it's directly synchronized with your local time, so you don't need to bother yourself with the GMT or whatever you use in your particular region. Now just go ahead and download the app. It's totally free and it should help you navigate the difficulties you might encounter in these lessons. Now let's take the conversation to the comment section. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Ezekiel. I'm a financial market analyst. I'm not a guru, I'm on the same journey as well. On this channel, what we do is simple. I share my experience and I share the experience I've gathered from others over the years. So if you're looking for a community of like-minded traders to join, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're a total newbie and you have no knowledge about Forex trading, but you're enjoying the idea of making money online, check out this playlist. It's an ongoing Forex course at the moment. It's totally free. I'd recommend you start from the first video, that is FX11. By the end of this course, you should start making decent money from the financial market. And I wish you best of luck, guys. Happy trading. Cheers.